Magandang umaga, welcome po sa ating Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum, and we are live here at the conference hall of the PSC building right inside the historic Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. This will be our session before observing the Lenten Week. Ako po si Randy Galuwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning. Yes, good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Welcome to another session here at Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming. Yan po ay sa ating PSA page, ang Philippine Sports Writers Association. Also, on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paling sports radio, Judy Carinal po.
And partner, bago mo pakilala ang ating mga respected guests from the track and field, sport of track and field to talk about an international competition. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors in behalf of our President Francis Ochoa of Philippine Daily Inquirer. Maraming salamat po Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart, PLDT, Milo Philippines at Arena Plus.
And yes, to talk about the ICTSI Philippine Athletics Championships, May 1 to 4, NCC sa Clark City po dyan sa Capas, Tarlac. We have our officials and coaches from our Patapa or Philippine Athletics, ang assistant to the President, Terry Capistrano, Sir Relly De Leon. Welcome once again to the PSA Forum. And we have our head coach, no other than Coach Dario De Rosas. Hi, Coach. And assistant to the head coach, si Coach Joffrey Chua. Welcome po sa PSA Forum. First, opening remarks, Sir Relly, please.
Yeah, good morning, editors, sports writers, and other media people of PSA. In behalf of our President, Mr. Terry Capistrano, and of other officials of Patapa, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to promote our championship, athletic championship this year to be held in Clark. So, maraming salamat.
Right. So, far away na po tayo, Mr. Chairman, also Chairman of the Philippine Racing Commission, and of course, Executive Assistant, Special Executive Assistant to Patapa President, Mr. Capistrano. Sir, can you give us an update yung preparation ng hosting, no? Natin ng 2025 National Open.
I will give it to the head coach to answer that question, Randy.
Head coach. Yes, please, ano na po? How
Lahat na.
is the Philippine Athletics Championships this time?
Siguro po ready na ang ating championship. It will be held in Tarlac, Capas, sa May 1 to 4. Ayan po. Siguro marami na ang mga sumali sa ating palaro ngayon. At marami pang inaantay. Yan po ang mga ilan sa mga detalye ng ating palaro. At marami na kaming excited ng mga atleta, mga coaches, mga supporter ng ating mga players. Kaya ito pong palaro natin ito ay isa din sa basis para sa qualification sa Southeast Asian Games. Yan po.
Hindi ko na po tanggalin yung mic, tuloy ko na po. Ilan po yung mga players natin na sasali rito na Philippine team po ha? At
So,
ilan
we're
pong local?
expecting to have 800 to more.
Total po yan.
More than 800.
Sa Philippine team po.
Sa Philippine team,
Opo.
meron kaming, ilan nga coach? 52? 52, somewhere around 52. Tapos meron tayong mga PhilAms, meron tayong mga foreign athletes na sasali galing Malaysia, meron tayong Indonesia, Singapore, Papua New Guinea, at meron din ilan na galing sa Taipei, sa India. Yan po sa kasalukuyan ng mga participants natin.
Salamat po. Dagdag tayo kay Coach Geoffrey.
Yeah, Coach.
Oh, Coach, how about mga film players natin? Sino-sino yung mga may pangalan na sasali rito?
So, currently yung mga nag-confirm,
Oh.
yung mga Olympians natin. So, we are all excited to see them once again live in the Philippines. Of course, yung pa sa Olympics, nakita lang natin or we heard the news through media, yung performances nila sa Olympics. Right now, everybody live in the Philippines. You can see them. Sila Lauren Hoffman, si Jan Tolentino Cabang, Christina Nat, and other Phil Horens. So, we're all excited, of course. Iba yun eh. Iba yung nasa Philippine soil. So, they have to really, actually, pinagandaan nila to. They prepared for it kasi they are more excited to showcase their talents, their performances, and then of course the preparation. Mas gusto nila ipakita sa Pinoy yung performances nila. That's why they're all excited. In fact, meron kaming GC, yung excitement nandoon talaga. They really want to come here, especially NCC, New Clark City. They used to run in Ultra, medyo acceptable na for them. But for NCC, ano yan, world class.
First time ba ang
Yes.
Philippine Athletics Champs at sa NCC?
This is going to be the first time, by the way. We are all excited. Pati kami taga-Patapa. Though may mga local competitions na tayo doon, UAAP, NCAA. Pero iba pa rin yung Philippine Championship. Kasi may mga foreign teams coming in. Meron tayo mga LGUs coming in. And may mga school-based athletes going to Tarlac. So yung excitement is more than double or triple compared to last year national championship. Last year it was held in Ultra, punong-puno ang Ultra. So we are also expecting sa Kapas to be more. Kasi though malayo siya, iba pa rin yung international settings ng New Clark City. Isa ng international acceptable track venue. So, gusto ng mga athletes natin all over the Philippines na ma-experience. Plus, makikita nila yung Olympians natin, mga national athletes natin, yung mga some invited na foreign athletes na kilala nila. So yun, kaya yung excitement mataas talaga, compared last year.
Yes, Sir Rayleigh, good thing that the leadership of Patapa, si Sir Derek Capistrano, talagang they decided, and the rest ng board ng Patapa, to stage the nationals doon sa NCC.
Yeah, I think that's a very wise move, no? Because people in this part of the Philippines actually are more keen to witness this type of competition. Actually, athletic is you all know that athletic is the center of Olympic Games, no? So I hope more Filipinos will appreciate that actually believe, no, that they have to really watch and witness our athletic players. They will actually they expect to break records in this type of competitions. So this is actually a beating game towards SEA Games this year. So I'm sure they will make the best out of their games to break records in these competitions. So I hope the media, the people our friends in media, will drum up the interest to the public, the viewing public, the Filipino people, that athletic is worth watching and worth remembering our national players.
Coach Dario, gaano kahanda yung mga national athletes? Just like Sir Rayleigh said, ine-expect maka-break ng record. We are only on our 4th month, di ba? This season. So, gano'n na po ba kataas yung kondisyon ng mga national athletes? Lahat ba ng national athletes andito, walang absent? Kasi di ba, requirement talaga na Patapa to compete at the nationals.
Opo, doon po yung requirements ng national team o Patapa na mag-participate lahat dito sa ating championship. At gayon din, yung mga aspiring new athletes, dito sila mag-showcase ng kanilang talent para ma-select sila for the national team also for SEA Games. Actually, Pinipare namin itong schedule, lalo na schedule ng championship natin. We will start at 2 o'clock in the afternoon up to 9 o'clock in the evening. So makita mo, katulad dun sa UAP, maraming na-break na records ang UAP dahil ginawa natin sa Kapas. At maganda yung ating track oval dun. Meron tayong warm-up area na dedicated talaga sa event na ito, doon sa kabilang side. At yung ating venue ay talaga namang pang-Olympic ang atmosphere doon. Kaya siguro excited din lahat ang mga players natin na mag-participate dito sa ating national championships.
So meaning wala talagang